Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a chemistry practical class. We had some students here who are carrying some practicals, but they are not through, and they'll come to continue tomorrow in the morning. And they have just done partly the practical part. They were doing both volumetric analysis and qualitative analysis, but now they are just through with the volumetric analysis. As you can see, they have been arranged according to the various according to the the stations, and they were sitting in a group of two. So I've just dismissed them because of time was not allowing, and they have just gone at home. As you can see, this is the laboratory, and they were sitting in the station, so they will just come to continue with the qualitative part. Here on the bench, we have some sodium chloride, the one that they will use, acidified potassium dichromate, and also barium nitrate. They will also be using lead nitrate, and the test tubes, they are the ones that they are going to use for the qualitative analysis, but now they are through with the volumetric. And as you can see on the board, they were this is the procedure that they were using, and they were proceeding with it, but time was not allowing. So in the long run, they will be coming very early here in the morning to continue with their practicals. But so far so good. They have done the first volumetric analysis, and they'll be proceeding with the qualitative analysis tomorrow. And I'm live from my workplace, and I'll be bringing you more practical, virtual practical classes as we continue. This is the wash bottle, the one that has the distilled water, the one that is used especially for the qualitative analysis, whereby the distilled water, it's dropped into the test tube, either to dilute some solutions or some solids, or if you want to dissolve some solids that are provided in these stoppered containers. Like for example, here they are provided with the solid K. They can be told to determine the solubility of that solid K, or they can also be told either to burn and also to test for the chemical properties, or either acidic properties or basic properties within that solid K. And so far so good. And I'll be bringing to you various explanations as they'll be continuing tomorrow. This generally, we have some arrangements here for the 15 stations. Let us just count them physically. 1, 2, 3. This is another station. This is also another station. This is 4, and then 5, 6. This is another station here. 6, 7. This is also another station. 7, 8. This is also another station here. You can see this is another station. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There. 15. And then there are 15 stations in number. So now, in as far as what they are just being tested here, when you see acidified potassium dichromate, it is inorganic. It is a organic qualitative analysis. So you just know that what is being tested here is organic qualitative analysis. So they will be using sodium chloride, lead nitrate, acidified potassium dichromate, barium nitrate, and also they were using this sodium hydroxide. As you can see, it is labeled the sodium hydroxide. I don't know whether it is still visible. Let us see. It is sodium hydroxide. So it is the one that is dropped like this into the test tube like that, and then they test the kinds of ions that are present within that solution. And within them, the one in as far as the volumetric analysis is concerned, they were using iron 2 salt, labeled as solution A, as you can see, labeled as solution A there. Don't know whether it's visible. Yeah, solution A, but it has started being oxidized to iron 3. So and also potassium dichromate, potassium permanganate. As you can see, it is purple in color. Acidified potassium permanganate. It is the acidified potassium permanganate. They have been given it, and also they were provided with an acid so that they can be able to acidify for themselves. In this case, the question was demanding us for them to acidify the two solutions for themselves. So this is solution D, and it is the one that was supposed to be utilized for acidification. I don't think, let me see, to acidification. And this one was also this one was hydrogen peroxide. It was supposed to be utilized somewhere in the equations. And the apparatus, generally the apparatus that they were using, they were 6 test tubes, 1 boiling tube, a test tube rack. This is a pipette, the one that was being used to pipette solution A here, like this. And it is the one that was placed in the conical flask. This is the conical flask. And this one was solution B, the one that was placed into the burette up there, like that, and then up to the zero brim. So far, those ones are just generally the apparatus that these students were using, and they have used also they were using this measuring cylinder to measure 1 molar sulfuric acid for acidification of iron 2 salt, and also the acidified the potassium permanganate that was supposed to be acidified. And as you can see, this is just a redox titration, because we don't have any indicator that was being used here for titration. We don't have any indicator. So these solutions, they are their own indicators, and therefore that's why they are supposed to be acidified. Yeah, and we have explained in as far as the wash bottles are concerned. The wash bottles here, they are used to carry distilled water used for qualitative analysis, and the distilled water, it is only used for qualitative analysis to give the quality results, to give the accurate results, to give the clear results that are supposed to be utilized for conclusion, the presence of certain maybe metal ions like lead ions, magnesium ions, or iron 2 ions, or copper ions, or you can maybe make a conclusion of like, for example, like zinc ions. It is just to mention but a few. For those short remarks, I will be meeting you in the next visual practical class, and we shall be able to continue with this series of titration. It has been for a while for not coming up, but we shall just embark on our series of titration because of some tight schedule is the one that has made us not to come up regularly in the studio. But so far so good. I wish you the best evening and a blessed evening, so that when we shall be meeting again, we shall be able to continue with our normal visual practical classes. Otherwise, thank you in advance, and see you in the next practical class, guys. Otherwise, we are doing well. So remember to subscribe, also to like, and also to share with the friends, and also to give some comments just down this video. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Bye.